Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
అమ్మా వాచ్ ఇచ్చేయమ్మా బీబీలు చూడండి అమ్మా.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. Sir, that material creation issue not resolved, sir.
So last class we discussed BP related, and the last we discussed credit management migration steps also, condition pricing migration also. After that, we just discussed theory, how to create BP in theory. We'll see inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, invoice also. Okay. Now, the last pending in migration is credit management configurations. We'll see that credit management configuration also. Okay. Before that, what is your issue? Material master. Right?
Yes, sir. As soon as it goes to accounting tab view, no, sir, it is saying that mismatch between material ledger control record and material ledger period something. So without material, I am unable to practice. Can I give my user ID and password, sir?
1 second.
Okay.
Material ledger. We have some steps. OMX1. Go to OMX1 and check. You have to check this. What is your company? What is your plan?
IN01, sir, plant.
IN
01.
OMX1 is okay.
ఓపెన్ సమయం
So OMX3
కట్టెని మానేసి అప్లై చేసుకుంటారు.
IN01 material ledger. Company code NTD. Yeah?
Yes, sir, NTD company.
MM01 IN material.
You can take
Storage location.
002, 0002, sir. SO01 02.
Go to accounting. Accounting is not there.
Accounting was coming, sir.
1 second. Okay. Go to accounting. Mention the price. 1000. Accounting 2, costing 1, costing 2. Do you want to save? Means I did not maintain others. That's classification. Plant IN01. MRP type. PD. MRP controller. Not there. Yes.
For my user ID, I'm
Accounting.
sir.
No. Save it. IN01 material. Okay. Okay.
Sir?
Now, yes.
For my user ID, I'm facing this issue, sir. Just now, even I'm trying to create, I'm getting that error, sir, for my user ID.
Okay, I'll check. I'll ask basis to check that. Others try Metal Master once. If everyone is getting that, then that will be basis issue. I'll check. I'll ask him to check that. Okay. Next. Okay. We'll do one complete process in Fiori. What is the T code /n/UI2/FLP? Go to Fiori. Mention your user ID, password. Okay. So yesterday we created one BP. For BP, you can go to this business partner master to create BP. Business partner master. Maintain business partner. Business partner. Click on this. Maintain business partner. And click on organization. Click on organization. Select your BP role. If you're not getting codes, what I said yesterday, go to more GUI actions and settings. Click on more GUI actions and settings and click on settings.
అనుకో అది పెట్టేసుకోవచ్చు నేను
ఇప్పుడు ఆ నేమ్ ముందు జరపడం మధ్య దిగాను నాకు నేమ్ అని
Click on this show drop down list. Activate this and sort drop down list also. Activate this. Click on this means on off symbol this one. Okay, this is off. Present it is off. Make it on. Like and save it. Then you will get this your codes here. Select your code. You can use all H complete, HBP all. Click on create. Mention your grouping D009. D009. Remaining normal. Mention the title. mention the search term, street, house number, postal code, city, country IN, language EN. Okay. Go to company code data, mention your company code, H100, reconciliation account 1,40,000. Go to sales and distribution, mention your sales area. Mention your sales area. Go to shipping,
వీళ్ళు క్లాస్ అంటే
mention the delivering plant H100, shipping condition 01. Go to billing, mention the Incoterms, Incoterms location 1. Go to terms of payment, account assignment group 01. Tax classification 1. Okay. Then below you have save. Click on save. Business partner 610712 created. Okay. You can also create material here. You need to search actually.
We can also search the sir from search button.
Yes. Okay, material I already created. We can use that. Okay, now I'll show you create inquiry. Quotation, sales order, delivery, invoice. Okay, I'll show you inquiry. Sales inquiries. Okay. Manage sales inquiries. Click on this. You can write. Go to sales inquiries, then manage sales inquiries. Manage sales inquiries. Then here click on create inquiry. Click on create inquiry. Click on create inquiry. Okay, inquiry type IN, mention the sales area, enter. Just now we created customer. What is the customer? You can search, mention the sales organization. Just now we created 610712.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. 610712.
Mention the material. You can search material. Mention your sales organization and click on go. This is how you search. Okay. I'll use this material. H vaccine 1500. Okay. Mention the quantity 100. Save it.
Easy.
You will get inquiry number 15035. Next, create quotation with reference to inquiry. Click on this manage quotation, sales quotations. Then here you have create quotation. Create quotation. Create quotation. Mention the QT sales area. Click on more. Sales document. Create with reference. Create with the reference. Mention the inquiry number. What is the number? 15035. Okay, you can search. Mention the customer number.
Six 10712, sir.
Okay. So this is the inquiry number. Click on copy. In quotation, mention extra valid from, valid to. Enter. Go to edit, incompletion log. Shipping point determination is missing. OVL2 01001 H100 H100. Save it. Okay. So again, do this.
We do these configurations in Fury also, like OVL2.
No, configurations is in normal SAP script.
Okay.
Sir, T code is working on Fury, sir.
Sorry?
T codes are, can we work on T codes or? It's T
No,
codes.
only apps. No. Okay. Now again, do this quotation. So click on create quotation. Go to sales document, create with the reference 15035. Click on copy, mention valid to, go to edit in completion log. Okay. Document is complete. Now save the quotation. Now create order with reference to quotation. What is the quotation number? 25042. Go back. Okay, where is the order? Search. See, in real time, users will not have all apps based on the responsibilities of user. We will display only the relevant apps to the end users. So he will not face this issue. Here we are getting all apps in real time. Which transactions user is responsible? We will display only those apps to end users. SD users, in SD also that user is responsible for what? Only that apps will be given. Okay, next, sales order. Where it is? Okay, here, click on sales orders. Manage sales orders. Manage sales orders. Click on manage sales orders. Okay, here, click on create. There's create button here. Click on create. Create sales order VA01. Okay, order type OR. Click on more. Sales document. Create with reference. Mention the customer 610712. Okay. Click on search. Okay. Okay. You will get the quotation number here. Copy. So there's no stock. So if you want to post the stock, use MIGO. MB1C will not work here. MB1C will not work. If you want stock posting for practice, I'll show you. MIGO for stock posting, you have to do like this for practice purpose. MIGO. Here, take other in reference, take other, okay. Scroll down, go to material. Mention the material. In below you have material tab. Go to material, H vaccine 1500. Okay, then quantity 10,000. Okay, where? Mention the plant H100. storage location H100. Okay. Then check item okay is by default checked here. Okay, then check it and post it. No stock posting possible for material. No stock posting possible for material OMS2. Select for double click on quantity value updating. Go to your valuation area, means plant. So check this quantity update, value update. It is there in your stock posting issues. Or you can search this error if you get this error. Okay, let me do once again. Check it. Account determination for entry INT GBB blank ZOB 7920 not possible. Okay, so go to OMWD, go to your plant, mention valuation group code 0001. Okay, do it once again. You're still getting this. Okay, do my go again, MIGO. Select other, scroll down, below you have material. Quantity, where plant and storage location. Check it. Missing connection of material in plant H100 to the material master.
Sir, moment type 561 we can use no, sir.
Normally it will take 501 standard. MIGO. I'll use other material. Let us try. HMAT 123 quantity H100 only. Okay, check it. Missing connection of material.
Sir, is it plant parameters relates to?
SPRO. Okay, let us check plant parameters. SPRO, materials management, inventory management, plant parameters. H100 is not there. Okay. Copy 0001. See, in practice purpose, OMX1, OMX3. These are material ledger related. CKM start. Okay. Copy 0001. Mention yours. What is yours? H100. Okay. Do it for production also. SPRO production. Material requirement planning, plant parameters, carry out overall maintenance, copy from 0001 to H100. Okay. Next. My go. I'll minimize this screen. MIGO. Go to material. H vaccine 1500. Quantity. Where. Check it. No. I'll send this to a 5%. I'll take this pic.
CKM helps, sir. Go to T code CKM help.
CKM?
Help. CKM HELP.
CKM HEL.
So try 561 because I okay. Yeah.
$561. Check it. CKM. What is the T code?
CKM HELP, sir.
HEL. Let us check with as for that FI%. You can search this meanwhile, missing connection or a message. So here, I already sent this, but when I search this, you have some, they're asking to do OMS2, CKM9. Plant. OMX1 is there.
Sir, on Google it is saying like contact finance team for activation of material ledger and cost roll all of task.
Okay. Okay, let them do that F5%. This error. Meanwhile, we'll go to. I'll just show you create order delivery invoice. Stock is not there, so we cannot do order. Delivery and invoice we cannot do. Just I'll show you order and invoice. Okay. Here stock is not there. Continue. Then enter PO number. We are creating order. Okay. Then save the order. Standard order 375 has been saved. Now delivery. For delivery, click on this outbound delivery process something. Scroll down. Meanwhile, error will be solved. Delivery, it is in the last. Outbound delivery processing or outbound delivery creation. Go to this outbound delivery creation. Outbound delivery creation. Create outbound deliveries. Create outbound deliveries. Create outbound deliveries. Then here, what is the order? You have to select the order. Select the order and click on create deliveries. This is not ours. This is someone. Manual 6J101. Okay. So select order because here in our case stock is not there, so we will not get that order here. So otherwise you will get the order here. Select the order, click on create delivery. Click on create delivery. Like that. So delivery will be created in the backend. If you want to see, if you want to create normal deliveries, then click on this below. There is one symbol. You can do like normal here. I'll just highlight that. This one. Click on this create delivery below one. If you want to do like normal, Click on this, create outbound delivery. Now this is like normal how you create, mention the shipping point, mention the date, order number, enter, like that. So now I cannot create. If that error is solved, then I'll show you. Okay, this is how we create delivery.
Sir, MB1C doesn't exist in HANA or just in practice system?
No, that does not exist in HANA system. The T code is not available in S4HANA system. Now I'll show you billing. Billing documents. Go to this for billing. Billing documents. Create billing documents. Here, create billing documents. VF01. Mention the delivery here. Press enter, and you can create. If you want to create collective process, you can go to this VF04, create billing documents. Go back, this one. Create billing documents. VF04. VF01 means individual. Here mention the date, billing type, sales organization, execute. Means display, click on display below. You will get all the deliveries due for invoice. We know collective process. Like, if you want to create individual invoice, click on this. We have create billing document. We have 01. Okay. So if once that error is solved, I'll show you in system also. But meanwhile, so this is how we do the process. Next, make a note. Credit management configuration in S4HANA system. 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 So this is the last process in migration. So when you do credit management related configurations, then that will end the migration process. Okay. Now, make it on. Heading, credit management. Credit management is the process of managing. Credit management is the process of managing the credit limits of the customers. Credit management is the process of managing the credit limits of the customers. Credit management is the process of managing the credit limits of the customers. Next line. Credit management is an integration between SD and FI. Credit management is an integration between SD and FI. Credit management is an integration between SD and FI. Megan, in SAP S/4HANA, the credit management concept in SAP S/4HANA, the credit management concept has been moved to the credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. In SAP S/4HANA, the credit management concept has been moved to FSCM. FSCM means finance, supply chain management. Finance, supply chain management. Finance, supply chain management. So earlier it was in SD and MM, but now total the path, everything has been moved to FSCM. But still we will configure, we means FI and SD, both integration, present also in S4 also. But path is in FSCM path, but we will also involve FI also involved in this configurations, credit management configuration. It is an integration between SD and FI. Okay. So S/4HANA, to maintain credit limits, tell me what is the T code? ECC, what is the T code to maintain credit limits? Tell me.
FD32.
FD32. But here it is not there. FD32 will not work in S/4HANA system. Okay. So FD33 will work. For what? To check the credit limits. H100, H41. Don't check central data. So what is ours? 100901. Which customer we maintain credit limits? 2071 200701. Okay. 10 lakhs credit limits. What is the risk category? 01H. Okay. So FD33 is available so that you can cross check after migration. You can cross check for that. So in S/4HANA, FD32 T code will not work, but FD33 will work. Megan, in S/4HANA, system, FD32 T code is eliminated. FD32 T code is eliminated. and the T code FD33 is available. FD33 means display mode. That is available. Create is not available. FD33 is available. But that is only for display purpose. You cannot do any changes. This is just display purpose. Okay. Make a note. The new T code to maintain credit limits is either BP, the new T code. Where we maintain credit limits now? BP. I'll show you how to maintain credit limits later after configuring this. How to maintain credit limits. Migration we did, but I'll show you how to maintain for new customer after this configuration. Okay. Take this. The new T code to maintain credit limits is UKM_BP. You can see the T code here. UKM_BP. Or you can use BP also. UKM_BP or BP also. Make a note. The BP role to maintain credit limit is UKM000. The BP role to maintain credit limit is UKM000. UKM000. Here UKM_BP. Go to organization. Take UKM000 is the role. But first you have to create BP. Then go to UKM000. Click on create. Like so, in credit segment data, you can maintain. I'll show you how to maintain that. But just take the notes. UKM_BP is the T code, and the BP role for credit limits is UKM000.
Sir, first we should have BP got created, right? To maintain
first
the
create BP, then maintain this.
Okay.
For that BP, maintain credit limits through this BP role, UKM000. I'll show you in system. Okay. But for that, we have to configure credit management. Okay. Next, see in ACC, what is the T code? Sorry.
Can you repeat the sentence?
The T code to create credit limits is UKM_BP, and the BP role is UKM000. BP role is UKM000. This one. You have separate BP role for to maintain credit limits. UKM000. Next. So what is the T code to release credit block documents in ACC?
PKM3.
M4, M5 also is there.
VKM1, VKM2 release documents is not there. M2 is not there. VKM3 is also not there. VKM4, it is there. VKM5 is not there. So we have VKM1 and VKM4 available. VKM1, VKM4 is still available in first. Make a note. To release credit block documents, to release credit block documents, VKM M1 to release credit block documents, VKM1 and VKM4 to release credit block documents, VKM1 and VKM4 T codes, VKM1, VKM4 T codes are still available. VKM1, VKM4 T codes are still available in S4HANA system. In S4HANA system. VKM1, VKM4 T codes are still available in S4HANA system. Okay. You can use these two T codes, but VKM2, VKM3, VKM5 are not available in S4HANA system. Make it know. VKM2, VKM3 and VKM5 T codes are eliminated. VKM2, VKM3, VKM5 T codes are eliminated in S4HANA system. VKM2, VKM3, VKM5 T codes are eliminated in S4HANA system. Okay, next. Okay. Next. In future, we'll have this T code, but not present. UKM underscore my underscore DCDS for credit to release credit documents. For everything, you have this T code. In future, make a note. But present, you have VKM, VKM1 and VKM4 available. But in future, this is the T code. Make a note. In future, the T code to release credit block documents is, in future, the T code to release credit block documents is in future, you will not get VKM1, VKM4 also. So this is the only T code which will be activated UKM underscore my underscore DCDS in future versions. When this is available fully, then they will eliminate VKM1 and VKM4 also. So in future, the T code to release credit block documents is UKM underscore my underscore DCDS. You can see the T code below. Here. UKM underscore my underscore DCDS. Okay. Now we'll see the configuration. Make a note. Configuration for credit management. First step. Body activation for credit management. 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 Take the path for this. SPRO, financial supply chain management, credit management, integration with accounts receivable accounting and sales and distribution, integration with accounts receivable accounting and sales and distribution, integration with accounts receivable accounting and sales and distribution, integration with sales and distribution, integration with sales and distribution. Take this. Body activation of SAP credit management. See here, I am doing this, no need to do again. But just take the notes. So in your system, no need to, means the system is same. Don't do this again, means it will not allow. So I'm doing this, just take the notes. Body activation for SAP credit management. Click on this clock symbol. and click on continue. Mention the enhancement application as FSCM underscore. Mention the enhancement implementation as FSCM underscore credit underscore check underscore order FSCM underscore credit underscore check underscore order. Short text, mention order. Short text, mention order. Mention order. Okay, then click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Again, click on continue. SAP package. One, we need to give SAP package only here. Try to give some SAP package SD configuration some. Okay. Continue. Click on create request. Short description S4 HANA credit management. Okay. Continue. You'll get some message. Okay, continue. Here inside mention body implementation FSCM underscore credit underscore check underscore order implementation class body underscore. You can take this pic. Body underscore SD underscore CM. Implementation class body underscore SD underscore CM, and click on continue. It is showing something. Just I'll say empty class. Click on empty class and continue and save it. Okay. Click on empty class. You'll get some message. Click on empty class and continue. Okay. Next. So this is the first step. Second step, credit management. Second step, take this heading. Define credit, create credit segments. So normally it appears here. We define credit control area, so that will appear here as a credit segment. No need to do that, or else take like this. Check credit segment, bracket your credit control area. Others also you can check whatever credit control area you defined. It will appear here. Check credit segment, you can take like that. Check credit segment, bracket, credit control area. Give me 1 minute. I'm checking that material ledger. I'm just creating one material. H vaccine 2500. So I'm just checking that the previous material ledger is. And it was 1000. MM02. So try to create one more material. Material ledger should be active here in accounting view. That is what he said. Material ledger should be active in your material master. Okay. Just try this. We are in segment, trade segment. Just I'll try this, my go once with this new material. HVAC 2500. Check it and post it. Okay, now it is fine. Interval 49 does not exist. Okay, this we know. FBN1. $49. Year ours is 2022 only financial year. 1299999. Save it. Okay. So check it again and post it. Okay. Now stock is posted for this new material. MMB. Go and check the stock. Okay. stock is posted. So new material, there is no issue. But the materials which copied from ECC, we have this issue that also they are rectifying it. So new material, when you create new material, you will get material ledger active checkbox in accounting one view. That should come. All materials, it is not coming. Material ledger is not checked for all materials, ECC, which copied from ECC. So that they are doing for all your materials. So meanwhile, create new material, you will get that check, material ledger active check in accounting one view. You can do stock posting. Okay. I'll maintain price week 11, PR00, H100, H1, H vaccine 2500, 3000 rupees, save it. For this material, I'll do inquiry quotation order delivery invoice. Again, the complete process so that you can practice. Inquiry to invoice. Inquiry, you know, but just we'll see once again. Create inquiries, manage sales inquiries. Click on create inquiry. Inquiry type IN, H100, H1, H1, mention the sold to party. What is the number? 610.
70712. 610712.
712. Mention the material. H vaccine 2500, quantity 100. Okay, save it. Go back, create inquiry. Inquiries in the same screen only. Manage, sorry, quotation. Create quotation, manage sales quotations. Click on create quotation. Mention the quotation type QT, sales area, go to more, sales document, create with reference. Mention the inquiry number 15036.
36.
36 copy. So here mention extra valid to go to more, edit incompletion log, document is complete. Okay, save it. Now create order, go back to initial screen, create sales order. sales orders. So manage sales orders. Manage sales orders. Click on create. And you will get options here. Create sales order VA01. Order type OR. Click on more. Sales document. Create with reference. Mention the quotation number. What is your quotation number? Uh, 43, first one. Recent one. Okay, select the first one. Okay. Click on copy. Mention the PO number. PO number, go to more, edit, incompletion log. Okay, document is complete. Save it. Save it. Okay, now create delivery. Go back to main screen. Go back to main screen. Okay. Now here it will be in the last delivery, outbound delivery. So go to options. Scroll down, last. Outbound delivery creation. Okay, click on this below. Create outbound delivery with order reference below the text. Create outbound delivery. Okay. Mention the shipping point H100. You will get order number here. Continue. No schedule and due for delivery. I'll take 30. Click on continue. Okay. Now go to picking tab. Go to picking tab. Enter storage location. Enter pick quantity. Sorry, H100. Enter storage location. Enter pick quantity. Then do PGA. Okay. PGA is done. You can go and check stock will reduce. It's normal process. Stock will reduce 100 quantity. See. Okay. Next, create invoice. Go back.
documents are created.
Yes.
Mhm.
So what is the delivery number? If you want, you can see this. Change outbound delivery. This one. Go inside. So this is our delivery. You can see document flow. Select this. Click on display document. You can see it means normal how you check everything. Okay. So here moment type is 601 document. Okay. Now scroll down. Here you can see accounting. 1 second. Accounting document. Document info. Okay. FI documents. Go to document info here. FI documents. You can say this accounting document. FI documents. Select this display documents here. So this is the accounting document. Next, last one is what? Create invoice. Okay, create invoice. Click on this billing document. It is here only. Billing document here. Billing documents. Click on this. Create billing documents. VF01. Create billing documents. VF01. Okay, you will get the delivery number here. Press enter. You will get some warning message. HSN SCSE code is not determined. Press enter. Business place is not determined. Okay, these are all warning messages. Press enter. So this is the invoice. Save it. Again, you will get that message, warning message. HSN code, business place. Okay, enter. Invoice is created. Error in account determination. This is normal error. VKOA, GL accounts. Okay. So this is how we do the process. Okay. So practice the process in Fiori. See all these you can see normal. Here, what is the invoice number? 940239. You can see here we have 02940s. 4 zeros, sorry. 9 4 zeros 239. One, two, three, 4, 2, 3, 9.
You are not giving 4 zeros, sir. Only you are giving 3 zeros.
Okay. 0. Okay. So 9 4 zeros 239. You can see that 610712 material H vaccine 2500. So whatever the transactions you do in Fiori, it updates here. You can go and cross check that. Okay. So this is one process, inquiry to invoice. Next, so what we are doing now, credit management. Okay. So check your credit segment that will appear here. Check your credit segment that will appear here. Okay. Next step, check risk class. See what is our credit control area.
H111.
Which we created in ECC. So that will appear here as credit segment. It will take automatically. H111. Okay. And what is your risk category, which we created in ECC? 01H, high risk, 02H, medium risk, 03H, low risk, something like that. So that you can check here. You have to define it here, risk classes. Okay. Create risk classes. Next step, create risk class. Same, whatever you define, risk category that you have to create here, risk class 01H, high risk class 02H, medium risk class 03H, low risk class, like that. Take this, create risk class.
I have a doubt on credit management.
Yes.
See, you went to credit control area. Then there, did you create this credit segment or it was automatic? Can you please show that once again?
It automatically appears, credit segment. Whatever the credit control area you define, did you define anything there in ECC?
Yeah.
What is that? Did you remember?
ST01.
ST01. It appears here, credit segment automatically.
Then what is the other screen that you showed after that?
After that, just we are discussing now.
Oh, Thank you.
Create risk classes heading. Create risk classes.
Thank you.
Create risk classes. Okay. Now go to path. SPRO, risk class path, SPRO, financial supply chain management, financial supply chain management. In that credit management, credit risk monitoring, master data, create risk classes. Create risk classes. Same as risk category. Create risk classes. Code should be same what we defined in ECC risk category. The code should be same.
Sir, one question can I ask?
Yes.
So we have already created risk class in ECC. So isn't migrated to S4HANA? We are again creating it in S4HANA.
So it will migrate here. We have one more risk category you will get. Here I'll show you that. Here we have risk categories. It will migrate, but here 01H, what is ours? 01H, 02H, 03H. So it will appear here. We have risk category. But this is the new concept in S4HANA, which is not there in ECC risk class. Risk class concept is not there in ECC. Now that is a new concept in S4HANA. So that is the reason we are defining again here.
Okay.
Risk category will come automatically. This is risk category. So it will appear here. But you have a new concept risk class. So that is not there in ECC. In credit management, we have some changes. So that changes we are doing it here. Okay. Risk category will come. And if you see automatic credit control, credit groups also we defined. What is that? 1H, 2H, something we created. 1H, 2H, 3H, like that. So this also will appear, automatic credit control. What is our H111? 01H, 1H, H111, 02H, 2H, H111, 03H, 3H. Okay. So if you go inside, there is a change here. You will not find all the controls here. We have to maintain that controls in different place that we'll see in the configuration. So here you will have item check, deviation in percentage, number of days, and SAP credit management. You have to check this if you want S4HANA credit management. Then reaction C, status block check. Remaining controls like we have static check, dynamic check, maximum document value, critical fields, open items, oldest open items, next review date. There are so many controls. That controls we have to configure in a different place here. Okay, that we'll discuss in the configuration. Okay, so we are doing risk class. Risk class is not there in ECC. So maintain that risk class. SPRO, financial supply chain management, In that, credit management, credit risk monitoring, master data,
Or what exactly
create
functions?
risk classes.
Risk
Same
classes.
like risk category.
Okay.
Same like risk category.
And while
So there is a
configuring
link.
we should have the same risk classes as
Same
like yeah, okay.
Code should be same, because when you create BP, if you go to BP, in BP, in FD32 ECC, we maintain risk category, but here we maintain, what is our customer number? Two 00701 BP 100601. So if you go to this BP, if you go to credit segment data, here we maintain risk class, not risk category. And risk class code, risk category code should be same. That is the link. So anyway, that all those we will discuss later. Just define that. What is the link that we'll discuss later? Create risk class. I'll remove all these codes. I'll remove all these codes. Let us, I'll take a screenshot. So I'll just copy this. Initially, what is the score that I make it here? Okay. Risk classes. We have all these risk classes standard. Okay, I'll remove the score. Now go to new entries. Zero 01H, high risk. We maintain high risk here. What is the score? 0219. So I'll maintain 025, something like that. So that you can also maintain your own scores, the people who are practicing here. 02H, medium risk, 6 to 12, 03H, high risk, 13 to 20, like that. So you cannot intervals overlap. We did not save that. Okay. First save it.
There should be low risk as well, right?
Go to new entries. 01H, high risk, 02, 5. Okay. So here take 1, 2, because blank means it is considering 0. 01H, high risk, 1 to 6, 02H, medium risk, 7 to 12, 03H, low risk, 13 to 19, something like that. Take 1 here. Blank means it will consider 0 only. So don't give 0 again. So when you are doing when you're practicing, take after this number 20 to 25, 26 to 30, 31, like that. You can practice up to 100, 200, like that. But don't overlap this score.
What is the necessity of having the score from 1 score 2? What is that exactly?
Based on the past transactions, system will give you the score. We have formulas for that. In BP Master, it will calculate the score. If the score is 5, system proposes the score as 5. What do you mean by that?
It's
High
a
risk,
tool.
medium risk. It's a high risk like that. 1 to 6 score high risk like that. System will calculate. So system will show in BP Master what is the score. So if score is 10, then you can change that customer to medium risk like that. If score is 15 according to past transactions, every time it will calculate the score as per we have formulas for that. So if the score is 15, you can change the customer risk class to low risk like that. Okay. Take this risk classes, but you have to give same code. That is important. Go and check in ACC, means in your notes, what is the code you given for risk categories. Same code you have to mention here.
Just one doubt. Can I ask?
Yes.
If I have not created risk category in my ECC, then is there any?
Yeah, you can define here risk class and below you have risk category. Both maintain same. Next step we create risk categories. Maintain same. Okay. Next step, take this. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Normally we use standard one. So we have formulas there. So here also we use standard rule. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. We use this. B2B exists. B2B exists. Make a note. Use the rule B2B exists. So select this, double click on score. You will have some standard formulas. Credit limit. You will have standard formulas here. Okay. Here 1 second. B2B exists, double click on score. Okay, fine. Now in credit limit, you have to maintain your credit segment. Make note here, select your rule. Select the rules. You can use any one. Select the rule which you want to use. Then double click on credit limit. Copy 4 zeros credit segment. Copy the first one, 4 zeros, and mention your credit segment. Copy that H111. Mention your credit segment and save it. Mention your credit segment and save it. Okay. So if you are using this, select the rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. B2B exists. double click on credit limit, copy the standard credit segment 40s and mention yours. H111 mine, enter and save it. Like so here you should have your credit segment. Next. Okay, remaining we'll see next week Saturday.
Sir, in first step, while defining the body activation for credit management.
Your error will be solved, material master. I think material might be solved. New material. Try to create new material for further practice. All materials also will solve that error. Okay. Next.